Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell put option and Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are in the learning center of uh, Robinhood. And basically this is the page that you will have in options if you take them. So basically you will have the call option and you will have put option. So when you go to the trading option place like here in the web app, you will find it in the stock here. You will find view the option or trade options uh, in addition of buy and sell. And basically by clicking on the option you will be able to see this option chain, and basically from there you will be able to sell and buy your options. So all you need to do is to specify which type of option, so either the put option or the call option. In our case we want to sell the put option, so basically you will need just to choose this one. So it will be something like this. It will be in the red color, and then you will need to make sure that you are on the sell. By clicking on the sell, then you will need just to choose the option that you want to sell, and basically make sure that it is still on the expiring date that you desire. And basically after that, you will need just to confirm. So you will have another place where you will have your order. It will be some kind of cart, and basically you will see all your options that you have selected. So you will be just selecting the options, and then you will confirm your order and you will have your option that will be sold. And by that, you have successfully sold your put option in Robinhood. So basically, those are the steps on how to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.